First, oil press. After the machine is placed in the proper position, remove the fixed iron wire and the left lifting handle during transportation. Open the tank cover. Add hydraulic oil to oil level calibration. Turn on the red stop button to start the machine. Check the direction of machine operation. Open the lid. Turn on the piston to high. Remove the top thick iron plate. Put in a pad of oil, then put in a thick iron plate. Start the machine from the back of the box cover. Push the pressure relief rod back when the machine automatically shut down. Press the stop button and pull the pressure relief lever. Open the top cover and start the machine to remove the compacted oil pad. Repeat to compress another oil pad. Remove the heavy iron plate and place it on the tool table. Lay the compressed oil pad flat in the barrel. Pull the pressure relief lever to lower the piston to the bottom. Turn on the heating switch. The following is a video on how to press oil. Skip this step for cold press oil. Fry the oil in a wok to the desired temperature. Use shaker to remove smoke and cool down. Open the top cover and pour the oil into the charging cylinder and spread it out. Lay another oil pad flat on top of the oil. Put in a thick iron plate and close the top tightly. Press the green start button. Start the machine. Note that the pressure relief rod is pushed back. The pressure gauge automatically stops when the pointer rises to 60兆帕. Enter the pressure holding stage. Second, making cake. Make sure the oil is squeezed out. Press the red knob. Slowly pull the pressure relief lever forward to relieve pressure. Open the top cover after pressure relief. Turn to unscrew the red button and press the green start button. After the cake is out, press the stop button to finish the cake.